Arrogance and pride are vices we must avoid, while humility is the virtue we should cultivate. Let's see how Layla reacted when her post was a success, and how did Noor help Layla stay grounded despite her fame. Did you see this, Noor? Our latest video blew up. The views are crazy. Honestly, not to brag, but it's pretty obvious that true creativity only comes from me. Everyone is literally trying to copy my style now. MashaAllah, that's amazing, Layla. I'm really glad your hard work paid off. But only comes from me? That's a bit much, isn't it? Did you forget something? Forget what? Who even helped me? I wrote the concept, I did the design, and I recorded the voiceover all by myself. You forgot that real success grows through humility, not pride. The moment someone starts looking down on others, they forgot that people who love their content are the real reason they keep going. That's the trap, Layla. Pride is the fastest way to lose everything. So what do you want me to do? Not even be happy about my success? Layla, there is a huge difference between being proud of your work and being arrogant. Don't confuse self-confidence with looking down on people. We fight this flaw with humility. Being humble doesn't mean you're weak. It means knowing that no matter how high you go, we're all still learning, and everyone who supports us is a partner in our success. So, you mean I should actually reply to the followers who've been asking for editing tips instead of ignoring them because I think I'm too busy? Spot on! Humility keeps you close to people's hearts. So, what do you say? We drop the arrogance and go reply to those comments from people who've been supporting us? Deal! You're totally right, Noor. Let's go reply to them and post a huge thank you note right now. That's it. True greatness is always grounded in humility.